Want to know the biggest scam in America? It's not those fake emails from Nigerian princes. It's not the calls about your car warranty. It's something way worse. It's this nonsense that you need credit to build credit. Think about that for a second. Banks want you to prove you're good with borrowed money before they'll let you borrow any money. It's like needing a job to get experience, but needing experience to get a job. Complete insanity, right? But here's what they don't tell you. You can build excellent credit without going into debt. Not even one penny. No interest payments, no credit card balances, nothing. And in this video, I'm going to show you exactly how. This isn't theory. Over 5,000 people have used this exact system to go from zero credit to 700 plus credit scores, some in just 6 months and some in less time. Let me show you how. Welcome back to the channel, where I teach the economics of your personal finance to help you achieve financial independence. And in this video, you'll discover the exact system I used to build a 750 plus credit score from absolute zero, without paying a single penny in interest, without carrying debt, and without selling my soul to the devil or the so-called credit card companies. If you're starting with no credit history and everyone keeps telling you it's impossible, this step-by-step blueprint will prove them wrong. So grab something to take notes, because you're about to learn something that will change your life and finances forever. But before we dive in, please do me a quick favor, hit that subscribe button and turn on notifications. I release new videos every week to help you achieve financial freedom. Here's a quick disclaimer. This video provides educational content only. It's not a substitute for professional advice. I'm not a CPA or financial advisor. Always consult qualified professionals for personalized advice specific to your situation. Now let's get started. Let's talk about your situation. You're starting with zero credit history. Maybe you just turned 18. Maybe you're rebuilding after some mistakes. Maybe you are an immigrant new to the country. It doesn't matter. What matters is that you have no credit score, and the entire financial system treats you like you're invisible. You can't get an apartment, can't get a car loan, can't even get approved for a basic credit card. You're locked out of opportunities that other people take for granted, and everyone's advice is useless. Just be responsible, they tell you. Absolute nonsense. Here's why you should care about this. Your credit score isn't just some random number. It controls everything. Whether you can rent an apartment, what interest rate you pay on a car, if you can buy a house. Some jobs even check your credit before hiring you. People with bad credit pay thousands more for the same exact things. A car loan at 20% interest instead of 5%, that's literally thousands of dollars thrown away. Your credit score is the difference between financial freedom and financial prison. So yeah, this matters a lot. Okay, quick education moment. Your credit score is a number between 300 and 850. Under 600? That's bad news. 600 to 700? You're getting somewhere. 700 to 750? That's solid. Above 750? You're crushing it. The score measures one thing. Can lenders trust you to pay them back? That's it. Nothing complicated. The problem is, when you're starting from zero, you have no way to prove you're trustworthy until now. Your credit score comes from 5 things. First, payment history. That's 35% of your score. This indicates whether you pay bills on time. Simple. Second, credit utilization. That's 30%. This indicates how much credit you are using compared to what you have available. Third, length of credit history. 15%. This indicates how long you've had credit. Fourth, credit mix. 10%. This indicates whether you have different types of credit. And fifth, new credit. 10%. This indicates whether you're applying for everything in sight. So here's the problem. When you're starting from zero, you have none of this, and it counts against you. But we're about to fix that right away. Now here's the plan. 5 simple steps. Each step builds on the last one. You don't need all 5 to see results, but if you do all 5, Your credit will explode within 3 to 12 months. These aren't complicated. A third grader could understand them. Let's go through each one. Step 1. Become an authorized user. This is the fastest way to kickstart your credit, and it's borderline genius. Here's how it works. You find someone who trusts you. A parent, family member, or close friend. Someone with good credit and a credit card they've had for years. You ask them to add you as an authorized user on their card. That's it. You don't need to use the card. You don't even need to see the card. Just being added to the account means their entire payment history for that card gets added to your credit report. All those years of on-time payments, now they're on your report too. I've seen people go from no credit score to 680 in 30 days using this method alone. It's completely legal and totally works. Now, here's what's important. Make sure the person has great credit and has a card that's at least 2 years old. Perfect payment history. Low balance. If they screw up, it affects you too. So choose carefully. This is your financial future we're talking about. Step 2. Get a secured credit card. Think of this as a credit card with training wheels. Here's how it works. You give a bank some money. Let's say $200. They give you a credit card with a $200 limit. That's your deposit acting as security. If you never pay your bill, they keep your deposit. But here's the magic. To the credit bureaus, this looks exactly like a regular credit card. Every month you use it and pay it off. That gets reported as perfect payment history. You're building credit with your own money. It's literally impossible to go into debt because you already paid up front. Now here's the winning strategy. Get a secured card with no annual fee. Put one small bill on it every month. Netflix, Spotify, whatever. Something that costs $10 to $20. Set up automatic payments to pay the full balance every single month. Not the minimum payment. The full balance. Then forget the card exists. Let it sit there building perfect payment history for 6 to 12 months. After that, most banks will upgrade you to a regular credit card and give you your deposit back. The best secured cards to get right now? Discover It Secured. No annual fee and you actually earn cash back. Capital One Platinum Secured. They report to all 3 credit bureaus, easy approvals. This one step alone can get you to a 700 credit score if you're patient. Step 3 is weird, but it works. It's called a credit builder loan. Here's how this backwards loan works. You borrow money, let's say $500. But instead of giving you the money, the bank locks it in a savings account. You can't touch it. For the next 6 to 12 months, you make monthly payments. Every payment gets reported to credit bureaus as perfect loan payment history. After you've paid it all off, they unlock the account and give you your money back, plus interest. So let me get this straight. You're building credit and saving money at the same time. The system actually working in your favor? Shocking. The cost is usually $5 to $15 total in fees. That's it. For a full year of perfect payment history. So where do you get these credit builder loans? Credit unions offer them. Online companies like Self, Kickoff, and Credit Strong specialize in them. Some let you start with just $5 a month. This is one of the smartest credit building tools that exists. Set it up, put it on autopay, forget about it. Let it build your credit while you sleep. Step 4 is the hidden gold mine most people miss. You're already paying bills every month. Rent, utilities, phone bill, internet, Netflix. All of these prove you're financially responsible. The problem? Nobody's reporting them to credit bureaus. So you get 0 credit for bills you're already paying. That changes now. Rent reporting services will report your rent payments to credit bureaus. Some are free. Some cost $5 to $15 a month. Services like Rental Karma, Esusu, and Built Rewards. If you've been paying rent on time for years, some services can add that history retroactively. I've seen people add 18 months of rent history and their credit score appeared at 695 within weeks. For utilities and subscriptions, there's Experian Boost, totally free. Connect your bank account, it scans for utility payments, phone bills, and streaming services. Then it adds them to your Experian credit report, takes 5 minutes, can boost your score by 10 to 20 points instantly. Think about it, you're paying these bills anyway. Why not get credit for them? Step 5 is simple but critical. Automate everything. This is where most people destroy their progress. They set everything up perfectly, then forget to pay one bill and tank their credit score by 100 points. Don't be that person. Set up automatic payments for everything. Your secured credit card, auto-pay the full balance, your credit builder loan, auto-pay the monthly payment, all utilities and bills, auto-pay. Your credit score is too important to depend on your memory. One missed payment stays on your report for 7 years. 7 years of damage because you forgot to pay a $15 bill. Not worth it. Automate it. Forget about it. Let the system work for you. Now let's talk about realistic expectations. If you think you'll have an 800 credit score in 2 months, I've got bad news. Building credit takes time, but the timeline is predictable. Month 1 to 3, you'll get your first credit score, probably around 600 to 650 or even less. Not great, but you're on the board. Month 3 to 6, as you make on-time payments, you'll climb to 650 to 700. Now landlords start taking you seriously. Month 6 to 12, with consistent payments and low credit usage, you'll hit 700 to 750. You're in good credit territory now. Better interest rates, better approvals, year 2 and beyond. Keep doing what you're doing and 750 plus is totally achievable. Some people even hit 800. The secret? There is no secret. It's boring consistency. Pay on time. Keep balances low. Don't apply for everything you see. Repeat for 6 to 12 months. That's it. Nothing fancy. Just patience and discipline. Before we wrap up, let's talk about the 4 traps that destroy credit scores. Trap number 1. Carrying a balance to build credit. Biggest lie in personal finance. You do not need to carry a balance. That's propaganda from credit card companies who want your interest money. Pay your full balance every month. Period. Trap number 2. Closing your oldest credit card. Don't do it. 15% of your score is credit history length. Closing old cards shortens your average age and tanks your score. Keep them open. Trap number 3. Maxing out your cards. Just because you have a $500 limit doesn't mean you should use all 500. Keep your usage under 30%. Under 10% is even better. Trap number 4. Applying for everything at once. Each application dings your score 5 to 10 points. Multiple applications make you look desperate. Space them out by at least 6 months. Avoid these 4 traps and you'll be fine. So let's recap your action plan. Step 1. Become an authorized user on someone's good credit card. Step 2. Get a secured credit card with no annual fee. Step 3. Open a credit builder loan. Step 4. Report your rent and utility payments. Step 5. Automate everything. Do these 5 things. Stay consistent for 6 to 12 months and you'll have a 700 plus credit score without going into debt, without paying interest, without selling your soul to banks. The system is rigged against you by default, but now you know how to beat it. If this video helped you, please do these 2 things. First, hit that like button and subscribe for weekly financial education that sets you up for success. Second, leave a comment below. What's the key lesson you gained from this video? I try to respond to every comment. Third, share this video with someone who might need it. That friend or family member who's struggling, send them this video. You might change their life. Remember this. Financial freedom isn't given. It's built. One strategic move at a time. You've got the blueprint now. Go execute. Thank you for watching. See you in the next video.